welcome back to Giselle Eats. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Happy Wednesday. Today, we are going to do a little grilling today. We're going to do an Old Bay style grilled leg quarter. And before we get started, I would like to make not a traditional green seasoning, but some aromatics that I think will complement these leg quarters on the grill very, very well. Now what I have here is a processor, and I have equal parts of oil, lime, and fresh lemon juice. Fresh lime juice, fresh lemon juice, equal parts. So I'm going to say there's probably a half a cup of both oil and lime juice. I have 10 cloves of garlic. I have half of a red onion. I have some Italian parsley. Let's get that started. Whole jalapeno peppers with the seeds. I do want this to be spicy, so I have the seeds and I have 5 of them cut in half. Okay. I have 1 whole green bell pepper. 1 whole green bell pepper. And let's get that started before we start making a mess. And I think we are, because it's already up here to this. Let's pour some out. Let's pour some after removing some. I'm gonna go ahead and put the green onions in, and this is a whole stalk of green onion. You always should try to keep you some green seasoning on hand. It's not for everything, but it helps marinate and bring some fresh flavors into a lot of your dishes. Let's give it a taste. Really, really good. Really good. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Okay, we're back. Now, with this Old Bay chicken that we're going to put on the grill, I have cleaned the leg quarters, cleaned them up very, really well, and I have towel blotted them, and I have them in a roasting bag. That's what I'm going to be marinating them overnight. Okay. So first we're going to start with a little crystals hot sauce. And this recipe will have a kick. If you do not like spicy stuff, I would say omit the jalapeno pepper, omit the cayenne pepper, omit the crushed red peppers. Okay, so that's that. For the hot sauce, the crystals, we're gonna go in with some soy sauce. Worcestershire sauce. You know, that's like my holy trinity. That Worcestershire, I don't know what that Worcestershire and that soy does when they get with each other, but they're a great tag team. And I really, really like it on different meats. Okay, we have some paprika. Now I have 9 pieces of leg quarters in here. You do not have to cook such a large batch, but you know, the family is big. We having company over, so we want to make sure we have enough. And we're gonna massage it here in a second. Just want to make sure you can see. Focus on me. Focus. Okay. We're gonna go in with our Old Bay. And you want to be really careful with the Old Bay. You know, it tends to be kind of salty. Old Bay. Focus. And seasoned pepper. And this does not have any salt in it. This one, the Old Bay does, so. Garlic. Onion powder. Use the rest of that. I have some cayenne pepper. And some crushed red pepper. Now you can omit both of those if you do not want this to be spicy. But we like a little heat over here. A lot of heat actually. And we have some black pepper. Ooh, excuse me. And let's give this a toss before we add the green seasoning. If you're going to do this method, be careful of if there's any fine bones that might poke your bag. Be careful with those. We're going to add in our green seasoning. I'm just going to go in and we're going to go in and just massage that chicken really, really good. Make sure all of the pieces get some loving. If you have a large bowl, of course, use a large bowl, but I'm not messing up any extra dishes. Okay. Should we get make sure we get all of these pieces. Okay. Now we're gonna get this into the fridge overnight. Make sure you season it overnight. If you have 2 days to spare, give it 2 days. If you just only got overnight, give it overnight so you can get the maximum flavor. I'm gonna sit this bag on a plate just in case it don't make a mess all over the fridge. This is gonna go to the fridge overnight. I see you guys in the morning. And just like that, we have Old Bay chicken, a Southern ranch pasta salad, and Monte Carlo shrimp skewers. Thank y'all so much for joining me for this short video this week. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see y'all next week. Bye!